Divide 784 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get Z. So now we put down this 8 and 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 4 and it is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 784 divided by 7 is 112. So this much for today and thanks for watching.